If you want to make an image full width in Elementor, this tutorial will show you the fastest and cleanest way to do it. Whether you're building a landing page, a homepage hero, or just want a banner image to stretch across the screen, this method will help you get that full width look without guesswork. And if this video helps, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more simple WordPress and Elementor tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, you need to add and prepare your container. On the Elementor canvas, click the plus icon to add a new section, then choose a container structure. Once the container appears, click the 6-dot icon at the top so you can edit the entire container settings. In the left panel, open the Layout tab and change the content width from boxed to full width. This is a really important step because it tells Elementor to let the content stretch across the page instead of staying inside a narrow boxed layout. Next, go to the Advanced tab. Here you want to remove any extra spacing that may be holding the image back. Unlink the padding values first, then set all sides to 0. That makes sure there's no unwanted space around the image, which is one of the most common reasons an image does not look full width. Now it's time to add the Image Widget. From the Elementor panel, drag the Image Widget into your container. Once it's in place, click on the widget and go to the General tab in the left panel. Under the Content section, click to upload or select the image you want to use. After choosing your image, look just below it and set the image size or resolution to full. This helps ensure you're using the full image file and not a smaller cropped version. After that, switch over to the Style tab. Find the Size section and expand it. Here, set the width to 100%. Then make sure the max width is also set to 100%. This tells Elementor to let the image expand to the full width of its container. For the best result, keep the height set to auto so the image scales naturally without getting stretched or distorted. If your image still doesn't look right, double-check that the container is actually set to full width and that there isn't any extra spacing for margins or padding. You can also confirm that the image widget itself isn't being limited by another parent container or column setting. In many cases, the issue is not the image itself, but the layout settings around it. Once everything looks correct, take a quick preview of the page and make sure the image stretches across the full available space the way you want it to. If it does, you're ready to save your work. Go to the top right corner and click Publish to make your full-width image live on your website. And that's it. Now you know how to make an image full-width in Elementor step by step. If this tutorial saved you time, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Elementor walkthrough. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.